Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So I wanted to share a poem with you all that I wrote some days back ago. So here it goes. सपने अभी तो बहुत सपने बचे हुए हैं, ना तारीख दिल में बसती है, ना सीख किसी की सुनती हूँ, ना बैठती हूँ चैन से मैं, ना सपने मैं बुनती हूँ। वो सपनों का चादर अपने आप मुझ पर चढ़ जाता है। बस कहानियों में जीना है और सपनों को पूरा करना है और चित्रकार की कुर्सी पर बैठना है, सपनों में जाकर एक एक कर बस सपनों में मुझे जीना है। So if you like this poem, please like this video also, and in this video we will learn a lot about drawing. So let's get started. So in this video we will learn about how to do shading and hatching in only pencil. So there are 6 techniques I'm gonna showing you here. So here we go. So firstly I am using a pencil, graphite pencil of Liberty, and I'll provide you the link in the description box, and if you want to purchase it you can buy it from there. So I am only giving introduction of the techniques firstly, and then at the last of the video I'll provide you the description of that techniques. So firstly I am doing hatching, that is moving the pencil left to right, and then cross hatching. The third type is tonal, moving the pencil darker to lighter shade. And the fourth technique I am doing is tumble, which is moving your pencils in a dotted form. You can see here like this. And the fifth technique is stipple, which is moving your pencil in circular motions in dark to lighter shade or lighter to darker shade. And then lastly, sixth technique is smudging, which is most essential technique. So in this you have to only shade darker to lighter or lighter to darker, and then mix it with your finger or cotton or earbud or anything. Like I'm smudging it from a stump, so you can see here. So as you can see, these are the 6 techniques. That is, first technique is hatching, second is cross hatching, third is tonal, fourth is tumble, fifth is stipple, and sixth is smudging. So I have drawn 6 boxes to show you the detailing form. So first I am doing hatching. As you can see, moving the pencil left to right. Make sure your lines are near and straight. You can do this as much dark and as much light. The second I am doing is cross hatching. Firstly I am using the pencil as hatching left to right from one side, and now you can also rotate the paper and also you can rotate your hand also. So from the other side I'm doing right now. Make sure your lines be straight. Thirdly, I am doing tonal. As I have told you earlier, from darker to lighter shade or lighter to darker, you can do as you wish. So from the darker I have started, and then accordingly to the pressure of your hand, make it lighter. I have used a pen pencil, and you can also use the normal pencil as you have. The fourth technique I am doing is kambal, moving my pencil in circular motion. And as you can see, I am moving my pencil darker to lighter shade, and you can do it vice versa. Fifth technique is, as I have told you earlier, stipple, which is moving your pencil in the dotted form from lighter to darker or darker to lighter. This technique is a little time taking. I am forming dots and doing the shading. The sixth technique I am showing is smudging, which is a normal technique which is used in every part of drawing or painting. So I am using Cretacolor stump to mix it. Make sure when you use a stump, you proceed it with a circular motion. So that it can be mixed properly, and at last I'm using my finger to smudge it. So as you can see, it's the best technique to use. So these are the 6 techniques. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for these videos. Thanks for watching.